guys, it's Coolgirlscollectors here, and today I'm going to be making Maker Electronics. Today we're going to make a helicopter, but you can make all these things that you want. So it comes with 48-page activity book, 1 battery pack, 1 motor, 1 gear, 1 sound model, 4 extenders, 1 axle, 4 wheels, 1 fan, 1 LED light, and 1 lever switch, and 1 hub, and 7 cables. Now let's get started. So something's sticking out. So first thing that we have some wires. And then we have more wires. We have a sound model, which makes the sound of it. Then, 4 tires. And then we have a motor. Kind of spinny. Then we have a fan. We have a gear. We have like a little gear thing. Sorry, something went flying. Give me that. Put that up later. We have 4 of these tiny stick thingies. Then we have a lever. And we have a fan. We have 1 axle. And we have this. What's it called? The thingamajig. And then we have the battery case for AAA batteries. We also have the book so that we can make the stuff. So now let's get started making. So first, we're going to be making the helicopter. The first thing you have to do is add the motor and add some extenders and attach the fan. So these things were, I forgot to tell you guys, you also need any kind of water bottle, Gatorade or water, doesn't matter. So first thing, you gotta have the motor, and these things, tiny things, were extenders. So add them. Oh, one's going away. No. And then you attach the fan. Where's the fan? Ah, there it is. Then, so that's how it looks. And then, what's this? Before you begin, install gear. Oh yeah, first you have to start the gear thing to the motor. This thing. Yeah, that's before you need. I'm confused now. What do you do? So you're supposed to put this in here. These. Wait. And then once you have the gear in, what do you do next? Grab the 2 red and orange, red and black and just fall it across the room, right here on the table. Then you add this one. Then you add the red cable to whatever place you want, adding in the top, and the black one to the bottom. Then one's positive and one's negative. So then you grab your lever, this thing, and then you attach, oh yeah, you need your battery, this thing. Then you attach this thing to one of these. So, these pluses, if you can't really see, and these minuses mean positive and negative. The plus means positive and the minus means negative. And whatever you put it in, minus or plus, you gotta put it in the section. So, put the red one in the minus, right here. Ooh, the black one in the positive. Ooh. There we go. And then grab the sound thingy. It's supposed to be two connected to the battery. Two orange and black to the battery. So black this time is going to be negative, and red's going to be positive this time. There we go. Then you connect these to this. Think in and out. In and out means positive and negative, probably. Positive goes in probably. Negative goes in out. Oh, that's out. Then we got those things connected. Then you have two of these orange ones. Wait, what does the orange one say? Positive and negative. Two of these orange ones. One, wait, that's a light. One positive and negative. Hard to, about to fall off. Go inside. If you want to make this, make sure you have parents' permission. That's what it says. Connect these to the ceilings. Be making noise, so it's going to be doing that data. This is what we have. Let's have this. We have a couple wires. Just the light. Then the lights. Oh yeah, the light. This is the light. This thing. Connect it to some wires. Then supposed to be positive and negative too. Positive and negative. Tough moments. Everybody has them. This is how you turn it on. You press the lever. And that's funny. But now we're on to the next thing. This is a really quick thing. Craft it. And then you have these two things. Wait. Oh yeah, put it in like this. Magic, this extender, and this extender, and grab the axle. Put it in like this. so that way it can roll. And it rolls away. And it rolls away. And then, oh, you need to tape the axle. You have to tape it. Oh, and you need some tape to tape the axle onto your water bottle. Or dairy bottle. See that? Tape it. We need some tape to tape on the axle. Let's grab the tape. Let me see. But there's one important rule about this. Always have fun. So you see like this little line, you put this right here. Doesn't roll. This, and then you have something like this that can roll everywhere. After you're done, tape on the motor to the side of the bottle. A lot of tape. Take the motor to the side of the thing. We'll make sure the cycle does not turn on. That'll be kind of weird, right? Then I get the tape. Tape the motor. Hey, stop following me, strings. Hey, we need to take it smaller. This tape it. What are you looking at? Stop pulling that. Tape it above.
Well, that's the way you do your stuff.
Like this. Then you have some wheels. And then, we're gonna do it. Thank you. And then, tape the LED light onto the top of the bottle. Where's the LED light? Here it is. Here, it's connected. Oh, pig, such the pig, such the pig. Then take this on here, like this. Then it's supposed to look like this. And then it'll fall out. It's not gonna be an active fail. Let's try it again. It's supposed to be looking like this. In the air. And then, what do we do next? The rest of the parts around, use the tape to hold them in place. Let's use the tape and tape it all over. Not like crazy. It's a speaker right here. And a piece of tape. Struggles. I think I need a bigger piece. Oh, here's one. This is the largest piece in the world. There we go. And then we need to tape on the tiny speaker thing. Oops. Here, what are you pulling the tape for? Now I'm going to show them. This is how it's supposed to be looking, like this. And then this is supposed to go like on the side, like here. But I can't reach it to the bottom. Then this goes, yeah, I'm just going to do it right here. Because I can't reach it. I'm going to run away. And then, I don't want to be weird. And then I could add some more tape. and put it over here. If you lose this orange piece, then you have to connect all these wires to this orange piece. That's one tip if you lose it. So, this is how it's supposed to be looking, like this. And that's all I have. That's all I have for you guys today. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Make sure you fly on over to our next video. Bye bye.